There was a time when he didn't know how he would feed his family tomorrow, when he sat alone in the dark, staring at the ceiling, asking Allah, Ya Allah, how long? He was not lazy, he was not weak. He had tried everything, and still, nothing was working. And maybe right now, that is your story too. Maybe you are sitting somewhere quiet, carrying a weight that no one around you can see. Maybe you have been struggling for so long that you have started to wonder, does Allah even hear me? He does. He always does. Life is not always what we planned. Some of us started with nothing, no connections, no money, no support. We watched others move forward while we stayed stuck in the same place. We worked hard, we made dua, we tried again, and still, the door didn't open. The bills kept coming, the opportunities kept passing, the days kept getting harder, and slowly, the mind starts to whisper, maybe I am not meant for success, maybe this is just my fate, maybe Allah has forgotten me. But that whisper is the darkness before the dawn, and the dawn is always coming. His name was Ibrahim, not a prophet, not a scholar, just a simple man from a small village. He had lost his job. His family was struggling. He had borrowed money from everyone he knew. Every morning he would wake up before Fajr, not because someone told him to, but because he had no one else to turn to. He would sit on his prayer mat in the quiet of the night and just talk to Allah. Ya Allah, I do not know what to do, but you do. So I trust you. He didn't have eloquent words. He didn't know long du'as. He just spoke from his heart, broken, honest, sincere, and that was enough. Tawakkul, trust in Allah, not the kind of trust where you sit and do nothing, but the kind where you take every step you can, and then let Allah handle the rest. Ibrahim kept searching for work. He kept showing up. He kept trying, but inside his heart, he had let go of the outcome. He had placed it in Allah's hands. Sometimes Allah takes things away from us, not to punish us, but to empty our hands, so we can hold something better. Sometimes the delay is the mercy. Sometimes the closed door is the protection. Sometimes the hardship is the preparation. Allah knows what you don't know, and He loves you more than you love yourself. What looks like a loss might be your greatest gain. What feels like a closed door might be your greatest protection. 3 years passed for Ibrahim. 3 years of tests, 3 years of patience, 3 years of not giving up. A small opportunity came, so small that others would have ignored it. But Ibrahim remembered a lesson he had learned in the dark nights. Every big blessing starts as a small seed. He took that opportunity. He worked with sincerity. He gave his best, not for people, but for Allah. And slowly, the seed became a tree. The struggle became a story. The pain became purpose. Today, Ibrahim runs a small business that supports 3 other families. He didn't become a billionaire, but he became something far more valuable. A man at peace, a man of gratitude, a man who never forgot Allah in the dark. So tonight, wherever you are, whatever you are carrying, whatever you have been through, make wudu, lay down your prayer mat, raise your hands, and just say, Ya Allah, I don't understand everything, but I trust you. That is enough. That sincerity is enough. That one honest moment with Allah is more powerful than 1,000 perfect words. Success is coming. Maybe not today, maybe not the way you expected, but it is coming, because Allah's promise is always true. Not maybe, not sometimes, verily, with certainty. So hold on, dear soul. Keep making dua. Keep doing your part. Keep trusting. Your story is not over. In fact, with Allah, the best chapter is always ahead.